Hello everyone, I'm Mcclendon, and today I bring you empiretoken. I will be sharing 3 simple things about this cryptocurrency: market information, the news, and a price prediction at the end. Let's begin. Empiretoken, also their ticker is Empire, currently trading about 5 cents with a huge market cap of $43 billion. This cryptocurrency has been downtrending. It has dropped about 24%, but I'm going to go into that at the price analysis at the end. But what is empiretoken? Built as a super token, empiretoken is a decentralized token on the Binance Smart Chain, which brings utility stretching from the DeFi applications to real-world operation. It is Empire's goal to bridge the gap between crypto world and the real world as a latter gradual adapts to cryptocurrency. Now let's see what markets they are on, guys. They are on PancakeSwap, LBank, Whitebit, XT.com, Tiger.com, and ZT. So if you're looking at where to trade or hodl this, guys, based on the chart, guys, I'm not going to trade, but I'll get into that. I'm not going to trade. I'll get into that a little bit later. Now, when it comes to ratings, I couldn't find any rating system for empiretoken. So just take that as a food for thought when it comes to cryptocurrency. Also, when it comes to relevant news, the biggest news I saw is that the downtrend that it has had in the recent days. And also, guys, here's their website. Once again, a very clean, smooth website. It does talk about their cryptocurrency, where they're currently at, a lot more information. So if you're going to get on this cryptocurrency, please educate yourself. Become knowledgeable about this cryptocurrency. Don't just take my words as fact. Read it for yourself. Now, let's look at the Twitter page, guys. They have 20,000 followers on Twitter. So look at some of the tweets, see what they talk about, understand what this cryptocurrency is, what they're trying to do, their projections. Also, follow me on Twitter as Mcclendon. I talk about cryptocurrencies, stocks, markets, politics, guys. Well, let's get to that price prediction. When it comes to empiretoken, we have been downtrending, and we're bouncing off this low currently at that 5 cents level. So for me, guys, we have to change the price prediction back to a reasonable amount. We should be going, if we can bounce off this current low, the current price right now of about 5 cents. If we can bounce this off, I will personally not be trading this. So I'll be hodling if I get into this position. So I will hodl this position with risk-free money, non-risk money at all, just making sure that's understood. And once I enter this trade right here at about the 5 cents level, I'll be trying to see if it goes up to the almost 7 cents level. That will be my price prediction, the 7 cents level, just about. If it can hit that price prediction, then I will make sure I lock in my trade by moving my stop, so if it heads back down, I can exit my position, or just having a price alert, so if it hits my price alert, I can just exit my position. Because since it's downtrending, I want to make sure that I can catch the bottom of this and head it for higher highs. If it does not do that, I'll exit my position so I don't lose too much. Now, if you guys are unaware of how to hodl, how I hodl, basically if I was employed and I got paid every Friday, I'll take a portion of that, put it into empiretoken, and do that on a regular basis to remove the emotional part of trading. Now, my other previous positions I talked about earlier, all I will do is to stack upon that as much as I can, and do that so I don't mess up my trading position. I'm sorry, my hodling position, and have a set plan for entering and exiting that position. So, price target about 7 cents, guys, 6.7 cents. Let's get to my website, okay? So here's my website, guys, Mcclendon. I put there's a bunch of crypto news on here. I put some other crypto information. If you want to learn more about trading, forex, stocks, programming when it comes to trading, please book a session with myself. We can talk about that. Also, head to crypto portion. I put some stuff on there. I will be updating even more. If you want to start a free account for stocks or crypto or a forex account, please click that, and we both can get a hookup for that. But that's the video, guys. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.